Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
The Hakka people from Beinan Township, Taidong County, live mostly in Jiafeng, Chulu, Meinong, and Gaotai. Taidong's newest leisure farming area, the Gaoding Mountain Leisure Farming Center, was built by Hakka people. The center is famous for Gaojie pears, tea, and is also the best location to catch views of the splendid Taidong Rift Valley.
台东县卑南乡的客家人大都聚集在嘉丰、初鹿、美浓、高台一带。其中以客家族群为主的高顶山休闲农业区是台东最新开发的农业休闲区，园区以生产高阶梨及茶叶闻名，也是鸟瞰台东纵谷的绝佳地点。
Yo everyone, it's time for Let's Talk About Hakka right here on ICRT FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin. Once again, it's so cool to be back here on this segment. 然后很开心呢，又回到这里跟 Leo 合作哦，持续教我们所有的听众呢哈卡哦，不管是文化或者是一些智慧。
错啊。
那今天呢，带到一个地方呢，是我自己本身非常喜爱的地方，台东县 （Taidong County）。
台东縣。
It's far down south, but it's beautiful because it's got a lot of natural resources and again hot springs.
金文泉
金文泉 exactly. 浸在温泉里面。
我唔知。
Leo 自己喜欢吗？
我當好啊。
And when you go to Taidong County, you got to go to 知本 Hot Springs.
知本温泉。
Okay, that's a must-go place for hot springs in Taiwan. And while you're over there, perhaps you'd like to enjoy some dairy products such as milk. Over in Taidong County, 另外一个地方呢也蛮有名的，我自己还没有去过，不过很想去，叫做初鹿牧场哦。
初鹿牧场。
Okay, that's a farm, and they produce a lot of fresh milk that is well known in Taiwan, and you can drink it off the cow even. 去这种牧场是不是马上就可以喝他们现挤的牛奶？
糖講係做的啦，不過叫我餓力肚拉肚子。
拉肚子嘛？
沒錯啊。
也不好啦，應該要殺菌完了之後再喝才比較對了，對不對？And I was just told that when you go to Taidong County, you also want to go to a suspension bridge, 叫做關林吊橋啊。
關林吊橋。
這個地方也很有名就對了。
喺台東來講算係有名的啦。
Okay. It's a very beautiful suspension bridge, 可能在森林裡面吧。
冇錯。
看到一個很漂亮的吊橋，可以上去呢，也照相。So those are a few places that you can visit when you go to Taidong County. And that will do it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張偉了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.